Hello viewers, can you provide answer to this question? WASSCE 2024 Nigeria edition. Question 30 is on circle theorem. We have dealt with so many theorems or questions on circle theorem. So I think you can do this within some 3 minutes. So in the diagram, angle SQR is 52 and the angle PRT is 16 degrees. We are to find the value of the angle marked Y, this very angle. So I will just deal with some 2 or 3 properties to arrive at the angle. First property I will be using is, we can see PQST are quadrilateral or cyclic quadrilateral. The property says that the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to what? 180. So this angle and the angle TSQ will be adding up to give us 180. So in largely, this angle is going to be 180 minus the Y. Right? Good. Then the angle here, QSR, this very angle plus this angle are on a straight line. So they will still add up to give us 180. So 180 minus Y plus, let's say, K equals 180. You know, K will be equals to Y. So this very angle will just be Y. If on a large scale, that angle is going to be Y. Okay. So if that is Y, then I'll be saying that 1, 2, 3 are angles in a triangle. Adding them together should give me 180. Alright, so here I can say the angle, what is it? QSR will also be equals to Y from that analogy that we have. So this and this are on the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So if you add them largely, you have your Y equals to that. So I'll say from the triangle QSR, adding Y plus 52 plus 16, you should get 180 degrees, the sum of the angles in a triangle. So let's maintain our Y, maintain the 180, then we subtract the sum of 52 and 16, that will be 60, 68, okay? So 68 degree, and that will be 112 degrees. So therefore, so the value of this angle here is going to be 112 degree. You can also use any other properties to arrive at the same answer. Look through, remember some of the theorems, apply them, and you'll be on the same course as 112. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.